how do you separate PPC performance issues from non-PPC issues like listing quality, pricing, or inventory? Really important is to understand non-PPC issues like listing quality, pricing, or inventory, and PPC performance issues. When we're talking about PPC performance issues, we are talking about, is the ad set up correctly in order for me to generate traffic? Not sales, traffic, right? So if I'm generating traffic enough, that is proof that ads are set up correctly. Simply talking, do we generate traffic to the listing? If we generate traffic to the listing, if there are impressions on the listings, this means that someone at least is seeing our ad. So anything that is relevant to someone not seeing our ad, that would be PPC related issue, right? Here it can be simply you lost buy box, so your listing is not showing up anymore, or simply for some reason Amazon is not allowing you to advertise specific things, or you're not ranking for specific things, or indexing is the word that I was looking for. You're not indexing for specific keywords, so Amazon is not even going to show you. And in that case, you would be just creating a case with Amazon at support and asking them what is going on, and then just showing the result. Now, when it comes down to non-PPC issues like listing quality, pricing, and inventory, these are going to be all kind of the outcome for whatever your sales are going to show. So I was talking about traffic. Advertising is traffic, right? Now, outcome of that traffic, it's going to be your listing quality, pricing, and inventory. How are you selling? Are you selling well a product? If you're bringing traffic to it, are you selling poorly? And here it's going to come down to conversion rate. And in business reports, you can see what is the conversion rate per total organic and paid ads. And then what we would do here, we aim to increase the conversion rate either by improving the image, especially the main image, that is going to bring the quickest uptick in conversion, in making sure that at least we have more people clicking within the listing. Now we don't know if they're going to purchase or not, but what we know is at least we generate more clicks. So impression is first, and more click is the second, and then third is going to be, all right, so now they clicked more. Are they actually going to buy whatever they clicked on? So that is the way how you would separate this.